One of the greatest illusions many people carry is this: I have to do everything alone. I must carry the burden. I must solve every problem. I must be strong all the time. And over time, the heart becomes tired. The mind becomes overwhelmed. The body becomes exhausted. Because human beings were never designed to thrive in isolation. They were designed to be supported. And when supported, consciousness awakens. Life feels lighter. Your nervous system relaxes, and you finally stop carrying the world on your shoulders. Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. Today, we are immersing ourselves in a truly foundational frequency on the emotional body chart, the energy of supported consciousness. What does the frequency of supported actually feel like? It is an internal pillar of absolute safety. True support is not just about having people around you or waiting for someone to rescue you. It is the deep cellular knowing that the universe fundamentally has your back. It is the feeling of exhaling completely, knowing the ground beneath you is solid. Supported consciousness begins within. Many people spend years waiting for others to support them while unknowingly withholding support from themselves. Self-support means speaking kindly to yourself when you make mistakes. It means honoring your needs. It means resting when your body asks for rest. It means trusting your own decisions instead of constantly seeking validation. When you develop self-support, you create an inner foundation that allows external support to be received more easily. You stop abandoning yourself. You stop becoming your own harshest critic. You become your own ally. And from that place, life begins reflecting support back to you. From the perspective of manifestation, supported consciousness creates a powerful state of receptivity. Many people focus entirely on taking action, but struggle to receive. They believe they must force outcomes, carry every burden, and create every opportunity through effort alone. This creates resistance. Manifestation requires both action and receptivity. When your four bodies align in supported consciousness, your mind becomes open to solutions, your emotions become available for receiving, your body relaxes enough to notice opportunities, and your spirit trusts the timing of life. This creates a manifestation field that is both active and receptive. Synchronicities become easier to notice. Supportive people appear, resources arrive, unexpected opportunities emerge. Manifestation often accelerates when you stop believing you must do everything alone and begin allowing life to participate in your success. Yet allowing ourselves to be supported can feel incredibly vulnerable. I consulted the C.A.T, our Collective Angelic Team, to uncover the common nested energies and programming blocking us from mastering this supported state. They revealed 4 specific blocks across our energetic system. Let us bring them into the light. In the mental body, the block is the programming of being overly giving. Your mind believes that your only value comes from what you do for others. You constantly empty your own cup, leaving zero mental space or energy to receive support for yourself. In the spiritual body, we are dealing with ancestor and genetic line influences. These are the inherited ancestral traumas of scarcity and isolation. Your genetic line carries the heavy imprint of having to survive alone, which creates a deep spiritual block to trusting divine support. In the emotional body, the block manifests as feeling defenseless. Because of past betrayals, your emotional body feels completely exposed. You equate receiving support with being vulnerable to an attack. So you build emotional walls that keep true support out. And finally, in the physical body, this translates into being easily influenced by others. Because your physical vessel lacks a strong supported anchor, you become like a leaf blowing in the wind of other people's demands. Your physical boundaries collapse. To rebuild our foundation and become powerful receivers, we must clear these deeply nested blocks. I invite you to settle into your space. Let your shoulders drop. Take a slow, deep breath with me and release it completely. Let us clear this together. You can repeat these words after me, either aloud or quietly in your heart. I call upon my higher self and the Collective Angelic Team. I invoke the pure, solid light of supported consciousness to integrate throughout my entire being. I command the clearing of all overly giving programming from my mental body. I balance my giving with a deep willingness to receive. I command the clearing of all defenseless energies from my emotional body. I am safe, I am protected, and I allow my heart to be held. I command the clearing of the pattern of being easily influenced by others from my physical body. I establish strong physical boundaries and anchor into my own truth. I command the clearing of all ancestral and genetic line influences of isolation from my spiritual body. I release inherited burdens and open myself to infinite divine support. I activate, integrate, and anchor this pure supported consciousness into every cell of my physical body and into the crystalline grid of the earth. I decree to the universe that my four bodies are completely aligned in supported wisdom. I am deeply held, I am safe to receive, and I allow the universe to provide for me in miraculous ways. I allow support to flow into my life. I allow love to reach me. I allow guidance to find me. I allow life to work with me. My mind is receptive. My heart is open. My body is supported. My spirit is connected. I anchor supported consciousness fully. And so it is. Take one more deep grounding breath. Feel that solid, supportive energy rising up from the earth beneath you. You do not have to carry it all alone. Return to this decree whenever you feel the heavy burden of isolation creeping in. You were never meant to carry everything alone. The strongest people are not those who refuse support. The strongest people are those who know how to receive it. Because support is not weakness. Support is partnership with life. And the moment you allow yourself to be supported, life becomes lighter.